Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a new module, that is PTA. That is the way you can log in your parent-teacher meetings. So we are going to introduce a new tab called as PTA. It will be there on your dashboard. Now in PTA, you can create meetings, or you can also create the meetings that have happened or are going to happen, the academic year, the date at which that meeting is going to be held, then the time. Let's say it's going to be held at 1:15. Okay. Then the school members who are going to attend that meeting. You can select multiple school members as well. Then the parents members who are going to attend, you can manually enter parents names as well. So let's say I'm entering a parent name. Then the topic of discussion, that is it can be regarding multiple topics. That is, let's say for example, it's regarding the school play or school gathering or school fees. It can be multiple topics at the same time. Can be different topics, whichever you want to discuss with the parents, and I'll click on submit. So in this way you can electronically enter the details of your meetings, and you can also have a log. So in case if you want to see previous meetings and you want to see the log, which at what date you had the meetings, who all attended, who were there from parent side, and what were the topics of discussion, and you can also take out a print and an Excel download Excel sheet as well. So that's all about our new PTA module. Thank you.